Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I want to show you how to remove the background from your video on Capcut, and also how to add a new background to your videos. So let us dive straight into the video. So the first thing you are going to do is to identify the video you want to remove the background from and import it to Capcut. After that, you spot the video like this one. I want to remove the background from this one. So the next thing I'm going to do is to click on this plus icon. So by clicking on the plus icon, it will bring it over to the timeline, as you can see. So to remove the background from this one, all I have to do is to click on the video itself on the timeline. So I'll go over here to videos, I'll click on videos, and I'll go over here to remove BG. So after clicking on that one, I'll just click on auto remover. As you can see, the countdown has started, so I'll wait till it's 100, till it reach 100. So let us wait for a bit. So guys, this is done right now. The background has been removed automatically. So let us have a preview. So as you can see, the background is no longer there. So the next thing to do right now is to add a new background. And to do that, to add a new background, all you have to do is to identify or import the new background you want to add. Then after that, you click on the plus button. So there's the plus button over here. So it will bring the background I want to use over to the timeline. So after that, I will drag my video that I just removed the background from. I will drag it up. So this one will come under, as you can see. So I just have to reduce over here. Sorry for that, guys. So I will start from the beginning again. Can you see, guys? The work is done. The work is done, guys. Can you see? I've added a new background to it. Hope you get what I'm trying to say. In case I want to resize the background to so I just have to increase it like this. Very simple, guys. So can you see, guys, the work is fully done. I've added a new background to my video. It is pretty easy. So if you learned everything from this video, if you learned anything from this video, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. I will see you in my next video, guys. Bye for now. See you in the next.